Focus story in this bulletin. The Sports Authority of India has blamed Paralympic Committee of India and the National Sports Federation for apathy for differently abled athletes at the National Para-Athletic Championships. Assuring to look into the gross negligence, Sports Authority of India's Director General Injeti Srinivas informed that his team will soon submit a probe report to the Sports Ministry, and action now will be taken against the Paralympic Committee to ensure that the neglect is never repeated. He asserted that it was wrong to hold national championship on just 15 days' notice without assessing the preparedness of the venue.
I think the Sports Minister has made it very clear that action will be taken. The first and foremost, there are two parts to it. One is action to be taken against the PCI for the gross lapses. We will be able to diagnose the problem. You see, the real story here is not for the heads to roll. You have to diagnose a problem so that it doesn't happen again. Right. That's equally important. Right. And our focus is on both. Whatever action has to be taken, responsibility is fixed. Sports Authority doesn't do it. It is the Government of India which shall do it. We have been asked to give our report. We'll give our report. We'll give our recommendation.
I want to go across to Pankaj Upadhyay, who's been tracking this story very closely. Pankaj, the blame game clearly begun. The Sports Authority of India now blaming the Paralympic Committee and the National Sports Federation.
That's right. Blame game has started. At the same time, new revelations are also coming out from the Games Village. I did a follow-up of the story, and shocking as it may sound, Preeti, the players tell me, especially the Maharashtra contingent, tell me that the medals and the merit certificates have also not been given out by the organizers, especially after the players spoke to the media and showed the callous attitude of the authorities. At the same time, the players are also alleging that the various categories that were supposed to be performing the events were all clubbed together, with the extent that the players were confused that the various categories were performing all together. That really meant that it became a cosmetic exercise for the organizers to show on paper that the various events had been completed. So this was in gross violation. None of the organizers are coming out in the open as to why this violation took place and what was the need to combine the various categories. Now, as far as the Sports Authority of India is concerned, they clearly maintain that they are in no way responsible for whatever has happened. They say that as far as the fund giving is concerned, they really give it to the federation, and after that it is the responsibility of the federation to see as to how the fund is used and distributed. But someone has to take the responsibility here. What we really saw at the Games Village yesterday was really cannot be put into words. The kind of conditions that the players were going through, it looked very humiliating to the players to even ask them as to how they were managing in such conditions.
You know, Pankaj, break it down for our viewers who are just joining us. The Sports Authority of India now says that they have absolutely no part to play, and the blame lies with the Paralympic Committee and the National Sports Federation for the apathy that everyone can see on their television screen. Now, does the Sports Authority of India actually claim that they had no idea of this event? And if they did, then how much money did they give the prerequisite amount that was needed to organize something? How can they in hindsight say that 15 days was not enough notice?
See, the fact remains at this point of time, it's a blame game that's started. What SAI is saying, they are asking for a report. They will make sure that next time round there is no repeat of such an episode. But at the same time, one has to understand that the officials of Sports Authority of India must have been in the know-how of the kind of funds that have been allocated and where were those funds being used. This was a question that we have also put up to the officials of Sports Authority of India. Were they not in the know-how of where the money was going, how the money was being used? So, SAI is tight-lipped on these important questions. They are brushing away the responsibility, saying that they are not directly involved, but at the same time also maintaining, yes, that as far as their facilities are concerned, they can be used in future. But definitely right now, no concrete answers coming from any of the organizers, any of the authorities here. But as I also said, even after our showcasing the kind of problems that the players were going through, more and more allegations are coming out, to which the authorities seem to have no answer.